is this an MLM? Is this business and a multi-level marketing business? The answer to that is no. It's not a multi-level marketing business. There are certain features in the business which are similar to multi-level marketing. Like for example, the major things which people run away from in multi-level marketing, why the name of multi-level marketing is so stained, I would say, is because you require to approach people, run after people, ask people to buy things from you. Most multi-level marketing products are those beauty products, skincare products, and creams and lotions, all of those things which you are required to sell. And who is it you are going to sell it to? Your friends, family, relatives, people you know. So you need to approach them, you need to tell them, I'm doing this, buy this product from me, it's amazing, promote the product and all. That's what people don't want to do, because anytime you meet someone, they would be like, oh, now she's going to sell me her lotion and her makeup and her lipstick and everything. No one wants that. So that is what one of the features of multi-level marketing. In this particular business, there are products involved, but you are not required to sell the product, talk about the products, promote the products, or push it on any friends or family, approach anyone. You don't have to do that. The products will be sold by the system, the back end. The products will be sold. You will earn commission when the products are sold, but you're not the salesperson here. Okay, so that's one differentiating feature. The second thing about an MLM is that in a multi-level marketing business, you have an upline and a downline. Like someone who you join through, that person is your upline and you become their downline. In this particular business also, you have that system, you have that team thing. But in multi-level marketing, in MLM, a downline can never make more money than their upline. Anytime the downline makes a sale, majority of the part is the benefit is going to go to the upline, and the upline is always going to get richer and richer and richer, and the downline will keep a smaller portion as your team grows. But that's not the case in our business model. In our business model, you can outgrow your upline, downline. You can make much more money than the person who is above you. Your effort, how much time you give to the business, how much effort you put into the business, your income will depend on that. I have few people over here, like for example Shikha here is my downline. She comes, she has joined through me, but she has had certain months in her business where she has made much more money than me. Shiga, we were talking about how in certain months in the business you have made so much more money than I have made in that particular month, which is a clear proof that it works. Plus, it is possible for anyone to make more money. It's not that if she is making more, growth in a business, all of that comes to me. That's not the case. That is with an MLM. We were talking about what is the difference between our business model and a multi-level marketing business. So I just gave you your example, because you are my come under me. Yeah, so that's what we are saying.
And yes, definitely, like it's business mates, like जब हमने भी business start किया था, हमें भी लगता था it's good to be true, जब हम और लोगों की success को देखते थे. But now we are on that level and we are earning that much amount of money every month.
Yes.
And it's possible, guys. It's not I know there are so many other online businesses, but our business is unique because our business model is unique.
Definitely. And this shows how proud we are of our business model and how proud we are of the work that we are doing here. So that's the second thing about an MLM. The next feature which comes to my mind, what is the difference between an MLM and our business, is we work purely on the skill of digital marketing. Digital marketing is the main work which you are going to do. It's a skill which you are going to learn, apply to your business, and generate leads, and those leads become your paying clients and customers through which you make money. And MLM doesn't have that. It mainly relies on networks, and if you are a popular person, a person who is very outgoing, a person who is very extrovert, would do very good in a multi-level marketing business. But you don't need to have those features here. You don't need to be an extrovert, have a huge following or anything of that sort. You can do it being your own self. If you are an introvert, be an introvert. If you are a shy person, be yourself, and still you can do great in the business. I hope this is helpful, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.